Well, I tell you, I'm going to tell you what's wrong with this world. There's too many liars in this world. They've been telling us for years about global warming. Well, I got news for you. It's 44 degrees in Miami. I'm freezing my ass off. I've been pro global warming for a long time. What I wouldn't give if the coldest temperature we ever saw again was like 82 degrees. But the rest of the world doesn't agree with me. I keep doing everything I can. I leave my truck running all night long, anything to bring out as much carbon emissions as I can. And there's just nothing you can do about it. It is literally 44 degrees at this point, and it's supposed to be down to the 30s. And I'm freezing to death because that's what old people do. We freeze all the time, and it's just killing me. But I'm really pissed off at these global climate change alarmist people, by gosh. If you're not going to get it right, don't get my hopes up. Don't tell me, oh, the world's going to get warmer and warmer and warmer if it's not. Just shut the hell up, you morons. Thanks for ruining my life. All right, we'll holler at you later.